So he had this strength, and his parents kept trying to send him to apprentices to learn a trade. But everyone that they sent him to used him for his strength and didn't teach them the trade. And he got fed up with it, and there happened to have been a traveling circus that came to town. And he snuck out and went to see the circus because, they came from an Orthodox family. This was not something they ordinarily would do. And in those days, the way you got to be a strongman in the circus was you beat the incumbent in a fight. And so the strongman at the circus appeared and asked, "Are there any takers?" And this young teenage, I think he was 14 or 15 at the time, they had a fight and he won. And he beat the strongman. Unbeknownst to him, the strongman's brother was the bear keeper. And they had talked Zishe into coming back the next night to fight the bear. But what they didn't tell him is that they purposely didn't feed the bear all day, all night, all day. So by the time Zishe was thrown in the cage with the bear, that bear was pretty angry. And he won the fight, but he carried scars with him for the rest of his life from that fight. And that's how he joined the circus and left home.